Tired of fumbling with credit card numbers every time you shop online? Apple Pay offers a faster and far more secure way to pay for your favorite things directly from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it for online purchases. First, look for the Apple Pay button at checkout. It's usually right next to other payment options like credit cards or PayPal, and it's a white button with a black Apple logo and the word Pay. Tap on the Apple Pay button to select it as your payment method. Depending on your device, you'll be prompted to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, your payment information is securely transmitted, and the transaction will begin to process. Once the payment is successful, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully used Apple Pay for your online purchase, allowing you to enjoy a seamless and secure checkout experience. Be sure to explore our other videos for more Apple Pay tips and tricks, and don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials.